Welcome to Steyr Automotive, Austria, the contract manufacturer for Volta trucks. I'm extremely excited because we just finished building our first Volta truck in the plant. A great moment. What we're building here today is the pre-production series, a total of 43 production-ready vehicles to be built before the actual production starts at the beginning of next year. It's just 1 year since we signed the contract with Steyr. In 1 year, we've been able to develop the processes, acquire and install the equipment, develop and install IT systems, quality systems, and train the operators. A remarkable feat by everyone involved. We're eager to bring to the market our product as quick as possible to satisfy the huge and growing demand for clean, quiet, and safer trucks in the cities. This ambition for speed is also the reason why we selected to go for contract manufacturing, because you would never be able to do this in the same time if you set up your own plant. Steyr Automotive has been a perfect partner for this. This plant has been building trucks for more than 100 years. The team and the collaboration have been energetic, enthusiastic, but everything has run really well. We all take the same pride and joy in being part of writing history.